Switching from Android to iPhone? Wondering if BackupTrans is the best for WhatsApp transfer? Let's review it quickly and compare it with the top alternative. Section 1. BackupTrans Reviews. 1. What is BackupTrans? BackupTrans offers tools for managing SMS, contacts, and WhatsApp data. Today, we'll focus on its Android WhatsApp transfer tool, which helps move chats from Android to iPhone and supports backup and restore. Is BackupTrans safe? Yes, it's safe when bought officially. It uses secure payment processors. Avoid cracked versions, they can be risky. Is BackupTrans free? No, it starts at $29.95 for WhatsApp transfer up to 3 devices. Other tools range from $19.95 to $39.95. Does it work? Yes, it works for most users, though the UI looks outdated. 5. User Reviews. Review 1. I got stuck at the last step in the process of transferring SMS from Android to iPhone. The support team answered my request within hours and helped me along. By Karoti. 6. Pros and cons of BackupTrans. Pros. Selective chat transfer. Export as doc text. Copy print messages. iTunes to Android transfer. Cons. Windows 10 only. Messy UI. Some chats missing. Pricey. Slow. May freeze. Section 2. How to use BackupTrans to move WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. Connect Android. Open BackupTrans. And backup WhatsApp. Connect iPhone. Trust the PC. Click transfer or right-click Android. Transfer messages double quotes to move specific chats. Right-click a contact. Transfer messages. Section 3. Best BackupTrans alternative to transfer WhatsApp data. Do you expect to transfer all the WhatsApp conversations from Android to iPhone? With one single click, WhatsApp transfer makes data transfer just so easy. Step 1. Install and open WhatsApp Transfer on your computer. Choose the WhatsApp Transfer module. Step 2. Select WhatsApp from the left sidebar. Then, opt for the Transfer WhatsApp Messages section. Connect Android and iPhone via USB. Make sure Android is on the left. Click Flip if needed. Click Transfer to start moving WhatsApp data. Section 4. Summary: a simple comparison.